our song.
It's a worthy cheap beer that gets me through a lot of times.
It's an old American beer too.
Yeah, it is. Alright, Brian Roberts. Mr. Brian Roberts. See my face.